people, happy today. This is Sasha, my little new puppy. She's 4 months old and I just wanted to have you guys meet her first. I'm going to put her down. Okay, it's been a while that I've been around doing these kind of videos, showing you guys how to style a table and I guess the little DIY videos. I am in London, UK, and I just wanted to kind of give you a little update about my life. I kind of live here now. I'm actually going back and forth between the UK and Canada, Vancouver, because I still work there and my hubby is working here in London. So life has changed a little bit, but it's all for better and it's going to be all exciting and we're happy to be here and we're happy to just have a little bit of adventure in life. So I just wanted to kind of put it out there in case you were wondering, following me on Instagram. So there's that. I still accept clients in Canada, but I'm also happy to share that I am starting to accept clients all over Europe and Middle East. So let me know if I can help you in any way in that sense. Alright, so let's get back to this table. I am actually doing a little collaboration with a very lovely designer that I got to meet here when I was in London last time. Her name is Sara Miller, and she did a collaboration with Portmeirien, produced some of the prettiest plates and cups and teacups and whatnot that I've seen. So we wanted to work together for a while and here it is. I'm just so excited and honored to do this collaboration with them. Anyways, I've already set up the table as you can see. I just finished making this flower arrangement with some of the prettiest roses and ranunculus and lilac that actually forged the lilac, so that was a really good find. And I wanted something to be really fun, so here I am using a very dark gray linen tablecloth. So yeah, so I wanted to do a darker background because the colors of the plates and teacups and the saucers and whatnot are like bright colors, and I thought they would really stand out if I worked with a darker background. And of course I had the white walls, so I already knew that the setting as a whole, it will be a nice mix of the white and then the darkness of the tablecloth. So I was very happy that I found that. And then I wanted to also work with the colors of the beautiful teal and the pink, like super hot pink, and I just love that. And with the flowers, you can never go wrong with like the purples and pinks and a little bit of white to still keep it a bit bright. And I found these beautiful anemones that have a darker center, which just balances everything so well. And I was also fortunate enough to find another lovely lady on Instagram who was really excited to work with me on making the lovely pastries, the beautiful cake. I just love it. She was so eager and excited to like create with me and went back and forth with all the designs and colors and whatnot. And I'm just so happy with the results of what she produced for me. This beautiful drip cake. It's actually real cake. I just love the gray. I wanted something a bit dark to go well with all these patterns. I wanted something simple. I love the drip. I think a little bit later for photos I will fill the top of the cake maybe with some fruits and meringues and macarons and all that good stuff. So I will attach some of the photos that I take after the video for you guys. And then these beautiful cupcakes she made me, they're just so stunning. I will also do a detail of the table too, so you are not going to miss out on these details if it's a bit too far. And yeah, just the same gray and then the gold foil. I'm just so happy with everything she did. And then these beautiful gold macarons, like they're just perfect. And it just works so well with everything that I've worked here for. I just think as a whole everything works so well together, and I just wanted to talk about the table and how I've styled it and how I thought about like where to put what. and hopefully you can recreate that for yourselves for your own little parties or gatherings or girls' afternoon tea events. So I think for me, creating a bigger arrangement, floral arrangement, was a big key, and I was really certain that I wanted to have something really grand in the center of the table. Obviously, I wanted to showcase these beautiful products from Sara and Portmeirien, and so I wanted to think about how can I incorporate their goodies but not take away from it by creating something big in the center. And again, just because we have a lot of colors that we're working with, it's just really fun to have that big arrangements in the center. Another thing that I love cake stands. I'm sure you know that. So this beautiful 3-tiered stand by Sara and Portmeirien was such a big statement piece. That was something that was on my list, and I really wanted them to send it to me. So I'm really happy with that. And again, with the heights, to balance that out, we have the cake here on a simple white cake stand. Sasha, it's okay, mommy. And then with the candles, I always love, as you know, to go a little bit asymmetrical. So I had 5 candle holders, but I went with the 3 and the 2. Balance the colors and having like 3 here and 2 there, so just like a nice movement throughout the table. And again, with the cake stands, just like having them on the other side of the table. It's just like a nice unity. As you can see, I don't have too many items on the table. I just wanted to bring a little bit of like a pink sparkling drink to add on to the whole setting, as well as to the colors. And as for the cutlery, I just wanted to keep it very focused to their brand, so I just thought I'll use this, and I kind of placed them as a cross on the table to just create a little bit of an exciting thing when you look down on the table. And that's pretty much it. To be honest, like, I just wanted to pop in because I haven't been around for so long, so I was very hesitant if I should video this or not, but I'm actually super excited that I ended up doing it. So I really hope you enjoy this, and subscribe and like and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, actually about anything. I'm more than happy to help with tips and tricks for the tables and flowers and all that good stuff. I'm going to link Sara Portmeirien, as well as Layla from Cream Velvet, who made these beautiful like pastries for me, to my bio and the description of the video. So make sure to follow them, make sure to just check out their website and see what else they have in store for you. And thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing also and being one of my biggest fans. I love you. Have a wonderful day, guys.